You want to draw spousal benefits off your spouse because you were a stay-at-home mom, you didn't work at all, or you didn't work very much, so your Social Security won't be very big. So you're going to draw off your spouse. And you've been married at least 1 year, so you qualify. But you married a much younger man. So good job there. Hope it was worth it, because you cannot draw spousal benefits off a spouse until your spouse is at least 62. You have to be 62 also. So if he's 10 years younger, you got to draw off just yours until he's at least 62. Now, you can't draw off a spouse unless he's also drawing Social Security benefits. So if your spouse is like, I'm not going to draw at 62, I'm going to keep working till 65 or 70. You can't draw spousal benefits until he decides to retire and draw his spousal benefits. So that was up to you. I mean, like I said, hopefully he's like energetic and fun and not as grumpy because he's so much younger and it pays off. But this is a problem that doesn't impact divorced people, because if you were divorced from that younger spouse, you'd be able to draw on that younger spouse. Again, he would still have to be at least 62. So you still are going to have to wait until he gets to that age. But he doesn't have to be drawing benefits for you to draw off of him. For you to draw off your spouse, your ex-spouse, and it's a qualifying marriage. You were married at least 10 years. You did not remarry before the age of 60. I don't care if he remarried, that doesn't matter. You can draw spousal benefits off your ex-spouse. Again, same rules apply. If 50% of his is more than 100% of yours, but you have to be 62, he has to be 62. That's it. He does not have to be drawing benefits. If he wants to stay working until he's 75, that won't stop you from being able to draw your spousal benefits off of his work record. Where if you're married, it is. So if you married the younger guy, make sure you understand that it might be a very long haul before you're able to draw spousal benefits. You'll have to only draw your own. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.